You want to download and install the best video editing apps that even the filmmaker is recommending and using it. And you want the free application? Then, check this tutorial. How to download video editor called DaVinci Resolve. Open your web browser and type DaVinci Resolve. Click the link from Blackmagic Design. Scroll down and click Free Download Now. Or click the link included in my description. Select the operating system that you are using. Fill up all the details needed. And click Register and Download. Browse where you want to save your file, and click Save. Wait until download finish, and locate your file. Here is my downloaded file. How to install DaVinci Resolve. First, we need to extract the file. Right-click in your desktop, and create new folder. Change the name into DaVinci Resolve. Right-click the downloaded file, and click Extract File. Find the folder you created, and click OK. Wait until extract finish, and open the folder. Right-click the installation file, and click Run as Administrator. Click Install. Click Next. Check Accept, and click Next. Browse where you want to save your file, and click Next. Click Install, and wait until installation finish. Done. Click Finish, and restart your PC. Here is my installed apps. Double-click to run. Opening this app for the first time, quick setup is needed. Click Continue. And click Quick Setup. Here you will know if your operating system and graphics card can run this apps. Select Ultra HD, and click Continue. Browse where you want to save your project, and click Continue. Again click Continue, and lastly, click Start. If you think this tutorial is helpful, please don't forget to like or subscribe for more video like this. And here is the video editor called DaVinci Resolve.